I just bought the world's coolest mystery box. And the best thing is that it was only $20. Online it showed that we could win tons of expensive tech like this. But can you actually get anything good? Let's go ahead and open it up ourselves. Pretty easy to open up. And by the way, we are giving whatever is inside of here away, so make sure to subscribe and like and stay to the end of the video to know all the instructions of how to join our giveaway. So let's open this up here. And as soon as we open it up, whoa, we have AirPod Pros out of our mystery box, and that's pretty impressive, but I wonder if these are actually real. So let's take a closer look at these. So first of all, we have our AirPods on the front, and at the top we have AirPods Pro. And we've got our Apple logos on both sides, and we've got our AirPods picture on the back, and it has a pull tab design. So let's check out the bottom, and the bottom really does not make it seem realistic because iOS is not even capitalized, but let's check it out on the inside. So let's open it up, and the tab fell off. Let's try this again. So let's go ahead and open it from the corner, and let's peel it off. So I'm going to leave the purchase link in the description so you guys can test out your chances with this mystery box. And let's open this up. And we've got designed by Apple in California. And we've got all our instructions, AirPod Pro. Then this is what gets interesting. We've got our AirPod Pros. So let's pull them out the box. And let's take these peel off. And right here, we've got our supposed AirPod Pros. So let's put them in the case for now and see what else we have in the box. So at the bottom, we have some, it seems like extra ear tips. And we've got our charger, but we'll leave those in for now. So let's check what we're here for. So a few red flags. First, the top isn't positioned correctly. And on the back, this font seems a little off. But there's only one true way to test these, and that's by pairing it to a phone. So now we've got our phone, let's try pairing these. So let's open the top. And a few seconds later, we already see our not your AirPods message, so let's click connect. And we'll hold the button. So far, pretty much seems like it's a normal AirPod. Let's let it connect. And we can see that it paired successfully. Now I find it pretty weird how these actually work without giving us an authenticity message. So let's check out how they look in settings. So we can see them in settings right here. So let's click the eye, and it shows our charges and the name. Here we have our noise control options, and we've got our hold options. We've got all our normal settings, which seems pretty weird considering these look pretty fake, especially the font on the back. But another way to test these out is the serial number. So let's test out this serial number on Apple's website. And trying it on Apple's website, we get this message, which means these are fake. But let's test out how good these fakes really are. So let's start off with an audio test. So first of all, these are pretty loud. It has the option between different noise control modes, and we've even got spatialized stereo modes on these set of AirPods. And we've even got working touch-sensitive buttons on the side of the AirPods. It even has working in-ear detection. The case has strong magnets, and is pretty satisfying to close and open up. Looking at the AirPods themselves, they look pretty real. So yeah, we got a pair of fake AirPods for just 20 bucks. Personally, I think these are a pretty good set of pairs. They have all the basic functions, and I'm going to be giving these set away, and all you have to do is hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me why you want these set of fake AirPods. Other than that, I'll leave the purchase link in the description just in case you want to test out your chances with this mystery box. And again, thank you for watching Box Reviewed, and make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.